Did you know many people are having trouble with scanning documents on their Canon printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connection. Ensure your scanner is turned on and connected, trying different USB ports if necessary. Step 2. Select scanner. Select the correct scanner in your software using IJ Network Scanner Selector EX for network connections. Step 3. Install drivers. Check that MP drivers are installed. If they're missing, download and install them from Canon's website. Step 4. Verify settings. Verify network settings to ensure proper scanner selection, especially on multiple scanner entries. Step 5. Restart computer. Restart the computer to reset any temporary issues causing scanning problems. By following these steps, you should now be able to scan documents smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.